Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to tell you what happened to Joe's car and how we fixed it. Joe's car is a Vauxhall Astra 1.7 diesel and he hit a low wall he didn't see due to the sun glare. As you can see in this picture, this is Joe's car. Joe didn't have the money to get a new radiator, intercooler and AC unit. To get him on the road again, we repaired his intercooler and we fitted it, as seen in these clips.
The one that's damaged is your air conditioner.
As you can see in these clips, this is what the car looked like as we was repairing it. So yeah.
Oh my god! Wow!
And yeah, so we went go help him because he didn't have a lot of money. And as you can see in these clips, the car was really damaged. But we went and helped him. So now I'm going to let Joe explain what antifreezer is.
Freezing is 50% water with 50% antifreeze.
I am the one! Are you videoing, yeah?
This is Joe pouring antifreeze in. As you can see in this clip, you can see the, I think this is when we restarted the engine. Now this is Joe test driving part 1, so yeah, enjoy.
Alright, come here, babe. Mwah. Yes, baby. No, not. Well, if you like, because we ain't got it. Not that I know of at this moment. 10 minutes.
As you can see in this clip, this is Ben and Joe trying to figure out what to do next.
Shouldn't need it. We'll keep it.
Because I think we're trying to take the radiator out and the intercooler. Again, Joe test driving.
Smile, Joe.
So now we'll let you enjoy Joe parking.
Get back so you can see it really. The art of parking.
A few moments later.
More left, Joe.
This is going to be
Hour later.
It's 50-50, mate.
Joe accidentally spelled antifreeze on the ground, so that's very lovely.
Oh my god. No, you can't.
Yeah, you can.
You gotta take yourself.
And I think during this part we managed to finish Joe's car and fix it all up. So this is them taking the intercooler or the radiator.
I'm going to do a bit later on with a full video.
I'm putting this out there. This is very safe. No one got hurt doing this, and it is absolutely works like anything. So yes.
Alright?
What do you think?
Things like this, I guess.
Oh, you used it?
Yeah. No, I use them all the time for all sorts of things.
So now this is Joe test driving part 2. And that's it. Thank you all for watching this video. It's a very short video, but thank you all for watching. And please like, comment and subscribe And yeah, we'll see you in the next video.
Yes.
Bye.